Okay, I've completed my counter. I'm not going to cut the hole out for the sink, the little plastic sink that's laying right there, because anyway, I got rid of the stupid little plastic two-handle faucet and bought this today. I was at the flea market and got that for $5, $10, I don't know, $10. But it's about between $50 and $100 for one of these stainless steel. And the reason I'm not putting the sink in is because my wife bought me one of these. And it collapses like this. So, if I'm not using it, I can just leave this under the counter. And I have all this counter space. The only time I'm probably going to use the water is if I'm actually connected to a water hose. Because I don't think the tank has ever been filled in this thing. I mean, if it has, somebody drained the heck out of it. Now the purpose of that weird looking hole over there is because when I lift this actually goes up and over into the hole. And it goes down at an angle, so I had to elongate the side where this is. This part moves, so this end didn't matter. Just so you can see, Sharpie comes off with alcohol. I had a big square all like this. Just use clean napkins. I'm afraid if I keep using the same ones, I'm going to turn the counter pink. Yeah, if I just pour it on there like that, it actually does a better job. And the counter is clean, pretty clean. I'm going to go over it again with another clean rag. But hey, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and send me $1.